On CNBC and Fox, you know, I spent a lot of time, and very often I was on with Bob Pisani, who I absolutely like and respect tremendously. Very smart, does a lot of homework. But, you know, for more than 10 years, I've been one of the very few guys that wants to tell you, give you credit for having a little brain power, because I can tell you that on television, it's very difficult to talk to people and tell them what you really think. The news media all tell the story that you have to have the news of the day and the momentum in order to be able to keep up, and that the markets are moving, therefore, because of the news. The question was, why did the bottom fall out of the market today? And the answer from Bob was because the bottom fell out of the commodities, and that tells you that the economy's weak, and we're worried about inflation, and we're worried about softening in China, and all of that, and that's why the bottom fell out. Well, here's the thing. Nothing could really be further from the truth. The news doesn't move the market. The news is a reflection of what's going on in the market. There's no sign that the hundreds of millions of people who have access to all this free analysis, like the kind that Bob did today, have gotten any richer from it. I have to say, I don't think that that is really the way it works. I know the goal of the media is to justify the time you spend with them, but my goal is to justify the time you spend with me, and I'm going to do that, I think, by showing you what's really happening. Most of you are here because of accuracy, so I'm not going to go into a big story about how accurate we've been. But I do want to show you what is really going on so that you can see that it was really pretty clear what was going to happen before the bottom fell out of the commodities today. You could really tell exactly what was going to happen.